Have you ever seen a ship that can sink itself into the ocean? This is a semi-submersible transport ship, known as the Mighty Giant of the Sea. It's built with massive ballast tanks that can be filled or emptied with seawater. When the tanks are filled, the ship slowly sinks until its deck is below the water surface. At this point, a huge offshore drilling platform or another vessel is carefully floated above the deck. Then the water is pumped out, and the ship rises again, lifting the entire structure from the sea and carrying it to a new location. These incredible vessels can transport oil rigs, bridge structures, and even warships that cannot sail on their own. With their unmatched strength and precision, semi-submersible ships are the true heroes of deep-sea logistics, moving the impossible across the world's ocean.